So, you know, it's a good thing and it's a blessing to see all of you here na nagpag-take part dito sa running natin. Okay? So, again, no, siguro, sabi nga kanina, no, I think it's important that run the race that we have to run in our lives. Alam mo, natin, pag narinig natin yun, all of us will start running towards the finish line. Yun ang goal ng bawat isa sa atin. Pero bago tayo magsimula, no, I want to ask you this question. Okay? Why are you running today? Bakit ka tumatakbo ngayon? Why are you here? Okay? Maybe some of us here, we all have different reasons ba tayo nandito, ba tayo tumatakbo. Majority of you are here because of health issues. Because gusto mo, you're very health conscious and running is one important na kakaroon tayo ng warm-up. Because lahat tayo gumawa ng preparations during the next race. Di ba? Bumili tayo ng mga sabo ba siguro bago yung rubber shoes. Nag-warm up tayo, nag-prepare talaga tayo, nag-training tayo for this. Bakit? Because we know yung preparation natin is very important because yung preparation natin determines how well we will run today. Which brings me to another one is yung life natin. That life is being compared to a race that all of us, we have to run. Okay, lahat tayo, tumatakbo tayo dito sa race called life. Hindi, ang question is, are we part in this running? Are we part of this running? But the question is, ano yung purpose natin? Yes. Well, yung fulfillment of our mission. Okay, we run for our family. We run for our family. Well, those things are, hindi naman yung survival. Yeah. But the question is, ano lang yung purpose natin? Or maybe there's something more important than kayang achieve lahat ng ito. Diba? Because there's the Bible says that God has put a void in our hearts. May puwang sa puso natin. That's why we're always looking for something. And God, the Bible says that God has placed that void in our hearts. And that void cannot be filled by all of the things of this world. Because that void can...
So yun guys, tapos na kami mag-running. Yun, 5K yung aking tinakbo. Ayan guys, pang-anim ako. Yun pa guys is 3K. Sarap pagpawisan guys. Hindi man nanalo, at least nag-enjoy. Sarap pagpawisan. Pagilat ka? Ha? Yan, pang third guys. Shout out. Shout out na.
No raffle tickets, wala pong raffle entry din. So kaya kailangan ng raffle tickets. And of course, I just want to share also yung ating QR code if you want to share your official